Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I think it works. The clutch spins pretty good. Putting some grease on the clutch obviously worked. I now have a chainsaw. And let's see, I got an $8 carburetor, a $10 chainsaw, a $10 bar and chain. So I got 28 bucks in it, plus the $3.10 for the hose. So it's the $31.10 chainsaw. Not a bad deal. Of course, a lot of work. If I paid myself $1 an hour, my old standby, if I paid myself $1 an hour, I'd have $100 into this chainsaw just in labor. But some of that was just because I thought, well, while I got it apart, I'll do it. But I'm pleased as punch that the thing fires off and runs without any trouble. I do have a couple of things I want to fix. The gas cap is leaking. Now, there's a seal in there, and I don't know if I can get a gasket for it or make one. But this little seal right here, it's on the inside. Well, now that it's soaked up some gasoline, it's swelled up, so maybe it's sealing a little better. We'll give it a little time and see what happens. In the meantime, I'll look up and see if I can get a new gas cap or a gasket for this one. Because having the gas tank leak on your chainsaw is never good. The funny thing is, I thought I'd have to fiddle with the carburetor. I didn't change any settings. None. All I did was bolt it on, dump some gas into the spark plug so I could get the diaphragm pumping, pull it over, it fired off, started sucking gas into the carburetor. It's been running ever since. So I'm really happy with this. And now I have to set up and sharpen the chainsaw chain. Been a long project. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union.
without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.